Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Atlas reward credit card identity protection benefits. All right, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste much time. Let's just jump straight into it. So first thing we're gonna do is to log into the Atlas account. You can log into Atlas account on the Atlas website. That's the online banking platform, or you can choose to log in on the Atlas mobile app on our mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the credit card account that you want to use the identity theft protection benefits for. Just go ahead and select that account from the account dashboard. And once that's selected, we're going to click on identity theft protection. And then we're going to need to review the benefits details just to make sure that's exactly what you're looking for. And what if it is, just go ahead and contact the identity theft protection provider to file a claim or to request assistance. And you're going to need to provide documentations to support the claim, such as identity theft reports, or it could be a police report if it's about identity theft. And you're going to receive reimbursement or assistance for eligible identity theft protection claims. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Atlas reward credit card identity protection theft identity theft protection benefits. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next